Welcome, Internet Fall 2015 students. My name is Robert D. Giovanni, and wanted to just talk to you a little bit about the way this class is going to work. Right now you're watching a video, and what you'll notice about the video is that I look very shaded and you can't really see me very well. But what you also notice is that what's on the board here is standing out pretty crystal clear for you as a viewer, which is what I need. So here's how the class is going to work. I am teaching a Cal 1 and a Cal 2 face-to-face class where I have students sitting in the room. They come in twice a week for 1 hour and 40 minutes. As internet students, of course, you don't come on campus for classes, but I need to be able to deliver the information to you in a way that will serve you best. And I've tried all sorts of different things in the past, having a student just read the book, having students look at examples and then try and find their own videos online using things like Khan Academy and things like that. And really, I haven't had a whole lot of success with that. So what I'm going to try this semester, since I'm teaching these two classes face-to-face, is I'm going to require that my internet students go ahead and watch these lecture videos. So I will come in here, my Cal 1 class is on Monday and Wednesday. It goes from 1 to 2:40 p.m. My Cal 2 class is on Tuesday and Thursday, and it goes from 1 to 2:40 p.m. And immediately after each of those classes, I will take the video that I create, walking around up here doing the lecture. I will take that video, I will upload it to YouTube, and then you'll be able to view that video. And from there, you can go and attempt to do your homework and your quizzes that will be done all online. So that's the idea. We'll see. I think I've set your homework deadlines for every Saturday. So on Monday you can watch the video for Monday. On Wednesday you can watch the video that I did that day, and that gives you a few days to do the homework. And all the homework that's due on Saturday will come from what's done in lecture that week. So that's the idea. The pro to it is that you will have the same exposure to calculus as if you were sitting in this classroom. The con is that you actually have to watch a lot of videos. And then after that, go do a bunch of homework online. So in no way, shape, or form is this online class going to be any easier than it would be had you taken it face-to-face. In fact, it's going to require a little bit more time from you because of the online homework and quiz component to the course. So a couple of things to kind of pay attention to. While I'm up here lecturing during these videos, I will address the class. I will say things like, okay, let's take out a piece of paper, let's take a quiz. Of course, my online students who are watching the video do not need to do that because their quizzes are online. If I give my students a homework assignment out of the book, then that does not pertain again to my internet students. Keep that in mind as we move forward. Now, let me show you a little bit about this camera. Let's see if I can actually get used to this. So the camera, I can move it around the room with the remote control, and I'm also checking here to see how my audio is. I have a pretty good microphone. It's got to keep in mind that I need to speak towards the microphone. So let's get an idea of what sort of resolution you have, how clear the image is going to be when you're watching this video on YouTube. So let me do an example, and I'm going to say something like find the x-intercepts of y equals x squared minus 5x. All right, something very simple like that. So what I'll do is first set this y equals to 0 to find my x-intercepts. And once I set y equal to 0, then I solve for x, so I can factor the right-hand side. Again, I'm just doing this just to show you how the quality of the image is going to be and how the microphone works. And then I set each factor to 0, and then I get two solutions, x is 0 and x is 5. So now, if I were to go and actually graph this, I know that my x-axis, my y-axis, I know that at 0 I have an x-intercept. I know that at 1, 2, 3, 4, at 5 I have an x-intercept. I also know that my parabola, because this is a parabola, I know that it opens upward So let's see if that's 5, you know, somewhere around, let's see. Oh, oops, I only went out 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there we go. So at about 2.5 is my vertex. It's somewhere down here, and where my parabola opens up, something like this. I could actually find that vertex, but again, I'm just trying to show you, you know, whether or not you're going to be able to make out what I'm putting on the board. And I think that looks pretty good. We'll see how it turns out on YouTube. Again, the reason it kind of looks bluish is because I'm trying to get that real high contrast of the black on the white. If I put a different color up here, let's see how this works. Let's say I was going to put my axis of symmetry would be there, and that's a red marker, so I don't know if you can tell that that's red. Let me come in here and we just put a horizontal line like this, and then let me shade this region just for fun. And again, you can kind of see how that works out. All right, so that's pretty much it. This was just a little video to kind of give you a heads up that there's going to be a pretty dramatic time commitment that it's required from you. But at the end of the day, I really think it'll serve you best as an internet student for a calculus sequence to actually sit through a lecture and get that same theoretical explanation as to what's going on. If you miss that, especially if you miss it in Cal 1, it'll be that much more difficult in Cal 2. So, okay, I look forward to a good semester. If you have any questions or you have any feedback for me as far as how this is working out for you, just contact me. Thank you.